Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to retrieve top 3 sales amount per category. So I just have write a query and here is the output of this query. So first we select the this system and I will explain what the happen here. So I have select this first all the column product ID, product name, product category, quantity or total amount, and we just use a main part is a rank. So we just calculate the rank, and here I have partition all the category and order by total amount by descending. So which means is highest amount is order by descending order, and we have alias the rank. So after that we have used this is a subquery and we write a select star from this one, or we have write all this query has rank cell, and we have add a where condition for rank is less than equal to top 3. So this is the output. Here we have pulled the top 3 sales amount per category. So the categories computer and accessories, first and second one is electronic. So you can see the amount is 9941 is a 1, this is the highest salary, and in the electronic category the highest salary is 9997. Thank you for watching.